Preheat your oven to 375 degrees and get 24 cocktail sausages. Then get an 8-ounce can of crescent rolls. I'd recommend doing this on a lightly floured surface or on a sheet of parchment paper as I did. Unroll the crescent sheets and carefully tear along the perforated edges to separate each one. Cut each crescent triangle into 3 smaller triangles. By cutting all 8 crescent triangles into 3, this gives us a total of 24 crescents for our 24 sausages. Place one sausage on the wider end of each triangle and roll it to the thin end, just like that. Place each one on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Get 4 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and brush each one with butter. This is optional. Lightly sprinkle each one with coarse salt, but warning, they will taste pretty salty. Bake them at 375 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes or until golden. And that's it. Please consider giving the video a like and thank you for watching.